Are you suffering from dry, brittle, and dull hair with very rough ends? No worries, I have a solution that will bring back shine to your hair. Hello Luxurians and my new viewers, welcome to the family. It's your girl Honoria with yet another interesting recipe. If you want to see how I made this very beautiful and luxurious deep conditioning hair mask, please stay tuned and keep watching. The oils I have used are extra virgin olive oil, sesame oil, avocado oil, castor oil, and shea butter, while the herbs used are lavender flowers, aloe vera powder, hemp protein, and hibiscus flower. Extra virgin olive oil helps to prevent cell damage. Sesame oil prevents dandruff, split ends, and hair loss due to stress. Avocado oil contains vitamin D and greatly helps to generate new hair follicles. Castor oil helps to hydrate the hair and increases flexibility. Shea butter softens dry hair and repairs split ends. Lecithin helps to achieve healthy looking, shiny and silky hair. It improves hair texture and seals in moisture. Lavender flowers increases circulation and encourages hair to grow thicker and faster than normal. Aloe vera powder adds moisture, conditions, nourishes, soothes and heals irritated scalp. Hemp protein helps to promote healthy hair growth and adds shine to the hair. Hibiscus flower helps to stimulate hair growth and also helps to improve and condition the scalp, leaving your hair looking thick, healthy, and shiny. Glycerine adds moisture to the hair, helps to eliminate dandruff, itchiness, and split ends. Using honey as a hair care ingredient not only boosts hair growth but also stimulates hair regrowth. Cetyl alcohol adds moisture and sleep to the hair. It also thickens and emulsifies the product. I'll just go ahead and sieve out the herbs in my liquid and then measure out the quantity I need for this recipe. You want to make sure to heat up your liquid to take out all the good stuff from your herbs before sieving. Also, you want to heat up your oil mix and the honey, cetyl alcohol and glycerine mix as well. Then you go ahead and combine both mixes together, and with your spatula you mix that very well too. Lastly, you want to combine your water and oil phases in one beaker, and with your immersion blender you want to blend that very well till completely emulsified. I just love how beautiful this recipe came out. I have tried a few recipes in the past but didn't have this consistency. If you are making this conditioner for just a single use, you can skip adding a preservative. You want to make sure your temperature is below 35 degrees Celsius before you go in with your cool down phase. This Ayurvedic deep conditioning hair mask can be used every 2 weeks when you shampoo your hair. You all know how important it is to have a good or balanced pH for both skin and hair care products. It is very important in making sure that our deep conditioner has a balanced pH, as this will help to close the hair cuticles and also prevent moisture loss. So a good pH should stand around 5.5, which is also approximately the body's pH. Let me know in the comment section, guys, what you think about this recipe. Stay tuned to see how I do a little demo of our Ayurvedic deep conditioning hair mask on my 4C hair. We are starting off with clean hair, very clean hair. As you can see, I just washed my hair using my apple cider vinegar shampoo bar. I have a video of how I made my shampoo bar on my channel. I'll leave a link on the screen and in the description box so you can go check it out after you finish watching this video. You want to make sure to go in with a generous amount of your deep conditioner and work that very well into every strand of your hair and your scalp as well. I did a middle part of my hair as I was so tired, but parting your hair in small sections is perfect as it's easy to go in with your deep conditioner. The most common question I get is if DIY deep conditioning hair masks actually work. The quick answer is yes, yes, yes. They are absolutely effective. Just as a face mask works to hydrate your face, so too does hair mask work to boost the condition and health of your hair. And also guys, remember that we all are unique and these herbs may not work wonders for your hair as it did mine. There are so many awesome herbs that you can benefit from, with some even found in your kitchen. All you need to do is do a little research to find what works best for your hair type, starting with the herbs mentioned in this recipe. Yes guys, I'm using the plastic bag method to seal in that moisture. I'll just wrap my hair and put on my bonnet and go to sleep. I'll wake up the next morning and wash my hair. It's the next day guys. I wish you could feel my hair. It feels so soft. I'll just go ahead and wash my hair off camera and come back to show you the results. Can you notice the shine? My hair feels so silky soft. My ends are so evened out. I'm just doing a little length check there, and of course guys, my hair didn't grow overnight from the deep conditioner. That would be a very gross exaggeration, but trust me, this Ayurvedic deep conditioner is simply amazing. I'll go in with my homemade carrot oil. I have a video of how I made this oil on my channel. Be sure to check that out after watching this video. I'll leave a link in the description box. I'll now go in with my Revlon hairbrush dryer. I don't remember quite well where I got it, but I'll also leave a link in my description box. We have now come to the end of this video guys. If you haven't already joined the family, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and be sure to click that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I drop a new video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.